Just a quick question. Why the Christmas party in July? Really? It's July. Just... this is awkward. Yeah, I want that. Just send my friend an item. But why? Just why? And just why? In July. Why in July? That's kind of weird. It's just so... it's just awkward. But where is he? Here he is. Send him Spotbright or whatever. Oh. He's sort of in my video right now. Alright. Zeus ornament. I want that one. I want that too. No, keep your stuff, by the way. Is it a yes or a no? Wait. Yes. Or no for what? Yes. Wait. Sorry, I just coughed a little. What? The train. The train. Train. Find it. Alright, I'll just send somebody else an item so I can get that ornament thingy. I'll send you, I don't know, a horse plushie. Wait, no, seal plushie. Now I can get the Zeus ornament. There. Alright, well, but why in July? Why? Just why? Why in July, the Christmas party? Jamal holidays. I like saying that. Alright, so please answer that. Or something. Wait, no. Why is that even on trade? I am not trading that. So, bye. I guess I'll see you later.